Alright, here's a Koso GP style speedometer for Yamaha T135 or LC135. This is newly released by Koso in cooperation with Racing Boy and Uma Racing. So, it supports speedometer, display internal, odometer, type meter, maintenance mileage for oil maintenance. It can change the tire circumference compensation for speedometer, a gear indicator from neutral to fourth gear, specifically designed for T135, and also a digital tachometer. Well, it's an analog, but internally it's digital. Shift light, an important feature for drag racers. Also a pre-shift light, an indicator where before the shift light occurs. It has a maximum RPM of 15,000, and another important feature is the thermometer for the radiator. And the best, for me, the best feature is this one, the air fuel ratio meter. So far, the only meter that motorcycle meter that has internal air fuel ratio is this Koso meter for Yamaha T135. Also, it supports the insufficient fuel warning, a clock, a voltmeter, an important part of the meter gauge for motorcycle. It has a backlight brightness adjuster, backlight color change. It has 8 colors, 12 volts, temperature range, near standard, size, right. So that's it. Digital meter from by Koso. Let's see what's inside. Okay, first, this is the Koso meter. And the back panel. Speedometer is not electronic sensor, but it's still a cable type, so you can still use your speedo gears. And then connectors. So what it has is 2 stickers, harness, we will install it there, manuals. This is how you install, full instruction, another instruction sheet, and the wiring gauge, the wiring harness. This is the sensor probe, some extenders, RPM harness. So everything is inside the Koso GP style meter for Yamaha T135.